Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are using Google Chrome, well, you are having security updates. They were released late yesterday. It took a little while for the blog post as to what was in there actually was released by Google. So if you're in using Google Chrome, of course, you will go into your Chrome browser. Upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, help and about Google Chrome. And here you will have the update going to 114.0.5735.198, 199, or .200 depending on the machine that you have. So this update is released for Mac, Linux, PCs, and Windows. But the security updates are also released for Android, which has a different version. But if you're on Android, update your Chrome browser also, as it will have these security flaws. So we're talking about 4 security flaws that are high severity. Once again, attacking different parts of Chromium, and mostly and including the scripting engine, the V8 engine within the Google Chrome browser. So nothing 0-day, nothing critical, but still, it is your first line of defense. It's important for you to actually update your browser. Of course, that also means that Brave and Opera and Vivaldi and Edge will all get that update because they all are affected by the security flaws also. So depending on the browser that you have, check for updates regularly to make sure you stay up to date. And that will be keeping you safe. It's the number one security of your PC, keeping up to date, followed by what you do. So it's very, very important to stay safe by updating the browser. So check it out, and we're, of course, going to try to stay safe by updating our software. And if you're not using Chrome and you're using a Chromium-based browser, check regularly for updates from your manufacturer of the browser that you have. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.